There we go. Damn, man. It ain't me, man. It ain't me. Damn, man. Check those birds out. Those are like cat birds. I had to put my cat in. Okay, so I was out here watering the lawn. Shit, man, look at this. Look how I wore a hat. See? You know what I was thinking? Like, in case there's drones flying over, just for the fuck of it. Even though, actually, because I get, it's like, what a stage. You know, I do care. I mean, I'm interested in something, but, okay, so I'm out here watering the fucking lawn. It ain't these guys. Look at it. Oh, there we go. Let me see. Hey, yo, dude. I'm filming, okay? I'm not doing you. There's a drone in my backyard that landed, yeah. I do stuff with a popo and all that. But it ain't you, right? No. And yours? Okay. Yeah, something happened, man. I was watering. I wonder if it was landed. I screwed up with the water. I've been out there watering, and it landed, man. Or, I mean, it's down there, flashing a light next to the fence. So maybe it has to just sit there, right?
I don't know nothing about it.
And it's weird because it has a flashing light, you know. Yeah. But it's like part of the thing, man. I have my own life, you know what I mean? I do this stuff. Dude, it's a fence, though. It's there, though. I put a bucket on it. Dang, man. They must have had it parked there, and then, they must have had it just parked there. And then I think I screwed up with watering it. But it started flashing this blue light, so it's not... God, man. See you later, man. These guys are cool. Those guys are for real, man. They have a real southern accent. They're like layers and layers off this innocent. But they were innocent. They got the whole thing, man. Shit. You know, my neighbors used to think my mom was CIA. I remember when I was a kid. Like, one neighbor started freaking out once. We were all like, I don't know, I was 10 or something. And my brother called my neighbor Oscar. Like Oscar the Grouch. From Sesame Street. And the guy flipped out. And saying my mom was like, blowing his shit. Fucking just some random shit. Like she's getting in the files. That was so funny, man. Ooh. It is, man. I'm gonna do these guys. Oh, these guys are cool. That's some badass. Yeah. I should do it, man. That is so hilarious. I wonder if I did fuck up watering. See, I've been out watering. God, I wonder if I watered and then check these guys out. Aren't those beautiful? I wonder. It's so weird though. They can have it anywhere. I know I got my shit though. Those dogs are so cool. But here it is, man. That is what it is, right? There you go, man. Check him out. Yeah, I don't want to get my hand cut. I don't know if this thing's really work. Hey, puppy. I know, you tell him. Jeez, man, that's what that is, isn't it? Gotta be a popo. But they have those lights, I should get rid of those. Wonder if it's because I was watering. See? Bow, bow, bow. Yeah, then we gotta do this. It's like fucking A, man. Yeah. Yeah, then someone just fuck with them, man. Damn, man. That's what you get. I'll put it on something. Put a bucket over it or something. Well, I'll put it other places too. I think there's dirt in that bucket. I should put it. I guess that's it. It's gotta be a video. Oh yeah, I want to make sure it doesn't just somehow like gets away or something. I don't know anything about this shit. See, I don't fuck around, man. I don't sneak around. I don't fucking lie to people. You know, I just do everything up front over the top. Damn, man. What would that be? Maybe they don't care. Maybe it's even, on purpose or something. There's that dish. Because why would they need? Fucking Amy. There we go. I'm gonna do. Oh no, man! I gotta carry it inside. I'll put my shirt over it and carry it inside. Okay, motherfucker. Yo, motherfucker, yo. Yo, big. Damn, man. Look at that shit, man. I got it in here. Oh, it folds up too. I wonder. It's got the lights flashing inside. Actually, let me see. It's probably a malfunction because those lights. Oh yeah, it's like retail mode, and usually that's not supposed to be an issue. And maybe something's haywire. Because otherwise it'd be like nothing. Kind of folds up, man. Alright, I guess that's it.